the username and password. I sent everybody a username of vacationclearinghouse@gmail.com, and everybody has a respective password. Just type that in right there, hit sign in for me. Now, when you get into the system, there's going to be a ton of information. We have all sorts of different things, from cruises to cars to flights, hotels. A lot of it's very self-explanatory, but I more importantly want to show you a section we have here called Weeks. So you see here you have hotels, cruises, cars, flights, homes, and weeks. Go to Weeks for me, please. And what you'll do once you get into Weeks, now this is going to be all the timeshare inventory around the world that hasn't been sold yet, that the resorts want to kind of wholesale out so they can get rid of the loss, because there's still a cost associated even with an empty room. So what happens is the resorts typically make this available to exclusively timeshare owners. It's a perk once they've made a $20,000 investment. But we're able to give you direct access to this inventory. So do me a favor here. Go right here. Just go down here and hit Florida, Orlando. Don't even worry about a date and just hit search. Now what it's doing is it's querying and pulling up all the inventory. There's probably going to be around 8,000, 9,000 weeks available. And this is basically a liability for the resorts. They have to wholesale this inventory. So based on season, population, the matrix that typically you look at in the hospitality industry is going to dictate the pricing. But I can tell you that the average room cost, or RevPAR, for the largest resort in the world is $42 a night. So typically you can get this inventory right around $30, $40 a night. So let's take a look and see what we've got. Right here you see we have 8,853 weeks with 156 resorts. Now that was 8,883 weeks literally this morning. So the inventory is being bought up in Orlando pretty quick. But you can see here we have the ability to sort this find based on arrival date, pricing, resort name, occupancy, or you can go in and pick your prices or filter down on your location. So if you look here, you'll see this is an actual picture of the resort. This is the resort name, Main Gate Lake Resort, and the prices start at $176 a week. Now that's 8 days, 7 nights. You can see this is a 3-star resort, but there's a couple of things I want to show you here. Real quick, click the picture. And you're going to find that you can go in here and look at photographs of the resort, the actual properties, the rooms, and things of that nature. And that's for every resort. You can go in here, you can actually click the map. You can get a real good idea where this resort is located. So if you're going to Disney for the week and you want to see how far away this place would be from Disney, just go in here and zoom out. You can see that this resort is located right here beside Animal Kingdom, Disney Hollywood Studios, and Blizzard Beach. So it's fairly close. It's going to be within a couple of miles. Another thing that you want to take a look at is the details. This is going to show you everything you need to know about operating within this resort's rules and regulations. Now you're going to see that they're going to have full disclosure. When you go in here and you book one of these rooms, there are no hidden costs. At booking, it's going to tell you what your costs are, what your taxes are, and if there's any resort fees, which there's going to be a resort fee. That's just how the business operates. You're not getting away from that whether you work with Expedia or you go directly to a timeshare company. You're going to have resort fees. It's just the nature of the beast. But we're going to disclose those resort fees, so you're not going to be blindsided when you get there and you owe an extra $20 a night. Typically, it's going to be $20, $25 a night, and you may have another additional $100, but you pay that directly to the resort. Another thing that you want to look at, we close out of here, is you can view the dates. So you can see here I have studios almost every week. Then I also have 1-bedrooms. And then I have several resorts that are going to have also 2 and 3 bedrooms. Now, you want to get more specific. Say you're going to Disney and you want to be there over July 4th weekend. Well, good luck trying to find something right now. But with us, actually it's better because they're wanting to liquidate this properties. So just hit the week you're specifically interested in. Go in here. It might take a second. And this is going to show you all the resorts that still have inventory right around that time. You can see we still have 420 weeks available. Main Gate still has property. You can go down through here. Star Island That's a Wyndham property. It's a 4-star. It's a beautiful property. $299 for the week. Now, are you interested in a 2-bedroom? More specifically, go right here under advanced search and hit 2-bedroom. Then hit search. This is going to bring up all the properties specifically have a 2-bedroom available right around that. There's a Villas of Fortune Place, Celebration Suites. Of course, you can keep on scrolling down here. Now you see we have Summer Bay. That's a fantastic resort. I believe that's a 4.5, 5-star resort. You're getting 2 bedrooms, so you're basically paying $325 for the week for each room. And you're going to see here they have one right around July 4th weekend. So it's $650. Now, if you need something more specifically on July 4th weekend, we'll continue to look. There's some of them they're going to be in here. Go here. Here's another Summer Bay, 2-bedroom. And you can see right here, it has a July 4th weekend. That's going to be for $900. If you don't like that price, continue to look. Polynesian Isles Resort. And you're going to be able to find what you need right here. July 4th weekend, $665. Let's see how close this is actually to Disney. Yeah, I think you're going to find it's going to be right there in the neighborhood. So if we take this, and typically what I do is I back off just a hair. And you're going to see there's Disney right there. It's probably about 3 miles away, and you're going to be able to take a shuttle straight over there to that. So as you can see, we basically have a room and a resort for anything you need. And so just do me a favor, go through there, take a look at everything. I'm going to follow up with you later on this week. Make sure you're taking that you're getting to see the good inventory. Go to Vegas, go to Mexico, Caribbean. Best deals are at the best locations, which is unheard of. So the better the location, the cheaper it costs. There's no use in spending $3,000, $4,000 to go to any of these destinations anymore. So we look forward to talking to you here at the Vacation Clearinghouse and Exchange, and I'll be talking to you soon. Thank you.